Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Samsung Galaxy A23. So to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app. We've shown you in our previous video on how to download it. So I have it right here. Then after opening it, you should be able to find your files somewhere. Mine are right here. There's two images. Select each of the file, click on this plus button to enter archiving options. You can change any options, but it's not necessary to create a simple RAR file, so simply click on OK, and that way you should be able to make a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.